Nayeli, look at your hair. You're so crazy.
I think that one was a good one. Is that 5?
Really good beef for turkey.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm just going to be doing a 2019 firework stash. A lot of these I did get from, most of them, I did get from Red Apple Fireworks. Just a couple of them, like the little ones, came from Bad Jack's. But we did drive to Las Vegas to get all of them because that is where the deals are. These were all on sale. I think most of them were on sale for the June Boom sale. We did go on, I think we went on the 1st or the 2nd. But I've been holding off on this video for a while. And we're just going to get right into it. This one's a 48 shot one. It has all of those in a lot of different types of colors. And so this one is a 64 shot. And it just does this kind too. We are planning on going to Seaside, Oregon. And they have really nice fireworks over there during this time. This one's upside down, but as you can see, these are the ones in here. And this is how many shots is this? This is a 50 shot one. And this one, we got this one last year too. We really like these ones. And this comes with all these kinds. And I don't know prices for you guys because I did lose my receipt, but I wish I could provide you with all of those, but I am sorry. This one is a 45 shots each, and this is what they do. That's really pretty. I really like those ones. This was a buy one get one free, and we got 2 of these. This was a 20% off at Bad Jack's. We got a 20% off if we went back the next year too. We had this one from last year from I think we got that one from Bad Jack's. They had the buy one get one free last year too. And this one is 9 shots each, 4 canisters. I don't know. Well, this one, 36 shots. It's a finale set. There's all of these. I wish I could do a better detailed video for you guys, but I don't want to make this video too long. I think we missed this one. This one's a 36 shot one, and it does not show you what it does. What do you do? I don't know what that one does, but we'll find out. And hopefully I'll be doing a 4th of July vlogs for you guys. We're gonna be staying up there for a whole week, so hopefully I can bring my computer down there and post some videos for you guys. This one is shells too, and they have 24 shells inside. And I really like these ones. They come in all different type of colors. Oh, look at that. Look at all those. So pretty. That one's my favorite right there. Oh, and that one. The crackling ones. I love the crackling ones. And this one is... This one's a 36 shot one too. And... Where do you show me what you do? What do you do? Okay, I think that's what they do. And it comes with a whole bunch of crackling ones. Very colorful. I really like the colorful ones. I don't like the plain boring ones. I really love the ones that shoot up and do the fountains. I don't know if we got any of those. But, those are my favorite. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what all of these actually do. And this one has the cream and the LA Night in it. And we got those ones separately last year, but they have better deals this year with big packages, with the whole cases instead of just individually. That's why we like going there, because we get one of these for about $60 for the buy one get one free. $60 for a cake. But this is a 38 shot one. But this is a 49 shot and a 49 shot one. And we got this probably for like, I don't know, 30 bucks at tops, guys. 30 bucks at tops. And we do have this little bag over here, but this is just for the kids, sparklers, a whole bunch of stuff from last year too, a bunch of kids stuff. These little bees. Really like these ones. I think these ones shoot up in the air and they twist up in the air. Really like those ones. We have all of these. And, those ones are alright, but they don't really go off a lot of the time. Yeah, it's just little kid stuff. We'll be buying more of, you know, the kid legal fireworks. just so we can have a good time with the kids too. But we shoot these off on the beach. Hopefully I can put in some footage from last year about them. I'm pretty sure I still have some footage of last year. Okay guys, and that was my 2019 firework stash. And if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, comment, and hopefully subscribe. Thank you guys. Hopefully we can get a video of using all of these.
Go!